Hey, how are you? Thanks for inviting me to answer you. Why doesn't AdMob pay me more impression outside the US? Pay me for. First of all, they pay you. If they pay you in US, so they also pay you outside the US. I'm going to show you how you look on it. I already answer you. Basically, countries out of US paid less, but they pay something. I will show you how you can check it and per unit. Second option can be that you block by mistake countries out of US, so it's also option. And they don't pay for impressions, they pay per clicks in AdMob. So impressions not help too much if you don't get clicks or something. I now will go to the account. I will choose some random game with traffic to explain it. Let's take for example this app. One second. Okay, this app for example. Okay, I will change it to dollars so you will see it more clear. It's a very good result. It's slot game. Make around like $1,000, 1,500 per month. It's what it make per day. And if I want to see from which countries it's come, so basically you need to go here and put country. Okay, and when I put for countries, and I can see the most requests, like you see the best it's paid from US, also the highest CPM is from US. But if you go down, you can see per country how much they pay you. Okay, and you can see the show rate. I think I block it just a little, so you see it like this. If I remove country and I put instead country format, I can see for which unit I get the best results. Reward videos, interstitial, it's what I'm using, interstitial video or reward videos. So I even can see per unit, and if you put also country, so I see country and per unit. The only option can happen that you don't get totally, it's if you block it, and I will show you how you know it. For example, if I go here, let's go to interstitial. So if I click on AdMob network, you can basically block your, let's say if I put here floor like $2 and I go here and some countries I block on $100, so it's not going to show me nothing. Okay, it's maybe what happened. Again, I don't know. I really don't know because I don't know how it's set up in your account. And that's all. Hope it's helped. Bye bye.